We're going to be telling you today about our approach, one of the projects at the heart of our co-created civic mission, working in partnership with the ACES Support Hub for Wales to become the first trauma and adverse childhood experiences informed university, which we like to call TrACE.
And we're Welsh Government funded and Public Health Wales hosted, and our mission is effectively to enable and support Wales to become a world leader in preventing, mitigating and tackling adverse childhood experiences, adversity and trauma. It's a fundamental approach recognising that adversity and trauma are a possibility for everyone.
So as the top university in England and Wales for social inclusion, this project absolutely fits with our commitment to supporting widening access and participation, and to be a university of and for our region and our communities.
My PhD is focused on trauma-informed practice and the ethos within the Youth Justice Service. I also developed the Navigating the Storm concept, which explains trauma-informed practice in a simple and accessible manner.
Tegan Bradley-Solis, a graduate teaching assistant in criminology, has developed a concept which shows how adversity leading to trauma can impact on a person's self-identity, their relationships and their behaviour. Working with colleagues in art and design, we're developing an animation which is based on this concept.
We're an anchor institution. We care passionately about people and the places in which we're part of. And actually, we've got an opportunity through our co-created civic mission and through our ethos as a university to really engage with partners such as 2025 and wider to maximise our movement towards a trauma-informed society across our region.
2025 is a movement to address avoidable health inequality in North Wales, and this is one of our work streams. So this work will be evaluated and we'll be sharing the learning much more broadly as we progress.
So together with the 2025 movement, with Glyndŵr University, we can make a difference and we can create a strong, inclusive, trauma-informed North Wales.